Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I'm back with few more strange events and few more unexplained viral videos. So guys, fasten your seat belts and let's get started. This video is coming from Sandwell Pub UK, in which you can see a phone is just vanished in the front of the camera, and according to the owner the phone is broken and doesn't have the vibration. Let me know your thoughts what just happened. This video is coming from Seneca Niagara Resort, New York, United States, in which a weird and strange color of sky is captured. I haven't seen anything like this before. Let me know your thoughts. Have you seen anything like this before?
We came from Rochester, New York. We is in Wheatfield, New York, and the sky is like literally pink in this one particular area right here. Nowhere else in the sky it's this weird color. And we don't know what the hell's going on.
Now guys, in this creepy video, this guy was shooting himself with the front camera, and then suddenly something peeped out from behind the cabinet, and when he went there to check, there was no one there. In fact, there is not that much space in which someone can fit. Let's check the video out. Now these strange holes are opening everywhere in Siberia. Some says these are due to UFO landings, but scientists believe that natural gas is coming out of these holes from inside of the earth. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Now with the initial observation, this video looks like a normal TikTok video, but suddenly things change when a shadow comes from the right of the woman and then disappears. Let's check the video out. Now the location of the video is unknown, but a strange thing is captured by a night vision camera in the night. Let me know your thoughts what this can be, and let's check the video out. This video is coming from Oman. This guy was doing some kind of paranormal research, and for that he went to an abandoned place and he has seen something strange, something in the white dress. And then he moved more closer to the place and he checked thoroughly on that abandoned place, but there was no one there. Let me know your thoughts. If this video is fake, I'm not so sure about it. Guys, this incident happened in last few days when a woman come out on the wing of the plane because she is feeling hot inside the plane. Things gone little out of hand in the flight from Turkey to Ukraine. Let me know your thoughts. Guys, another scary video from TikTok. With the initial observation, it looks like a normal video. A girl is dancing in the front of the camera, but suddenly something peeped out from the left behind of the girl. Let's check the video out. Now, due to a thunderstorm in Tuman, Russia, two cranes collided with each other. Fortunately, no one got hurt in this, but there was some damage to the building. Let's check the video out. Guys, in last few days, Typhoon Maisak hits Okinawa, Japan with the winds blowing up to 120 miles per hour. Let's pray for the one with the loss. Guys, nature is at its worst in 2020. This hailstorm video is coming from Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Let's check the video out.
ولا نعمة عاد في يدي سلم يا الله. يا رب يا
Guys, this devastating flood footage is coming from Sudan, in which the whole country is flooded in last few days. Let's check the video out and let's pray for the one with the loss.
يعني الموجة دي ما حصلت الأحياء دي ما نهائي بالطريقة دي ما حصلت. أنا الحافلة جوا الموية يا إلهي. كده حاول نزلني هنا المحطة دي.
والله ده خطر شديد. معقول ده المبدأ يعني زوجي وانت عادي.
Guys, in this footage, a tornado hits twin pagoda temples of Taiyan, Shaanxi, China. Let's check the video out.
哎呦我操，妈吓死了！哎呀！
Guys, things went out of hand in Bangkok, Thailand with the recent floods. Let's check the video out. Guys, Karachi, Pakistan remains flooded by sewage water for straight 4 days. I don't know what's happening.
आंटी हैं कि बीमार भी हैं, लाइट ना होने की वजह से उनकी तबीयत मज़ीद ख़राब हो गई है। अब उन्हें हॉस्पिटल मूव करें, अल्लाह खैर करे, और कोई पूछने वाला नहीं है।
लाइट भी न हेॾा न असां पोइ जे घर में बंदि थी न वेही विया आहियूं। असांजे वटि हेॾा खाइण जो पीअण जो बधे जो मसइलो आहे, बधे चीज़ूं जी तकलीफ़ आहिनि। नाले जो पानी न गंदगी न कचिरो हेॾा एतिरो वधारे थी वियो आहे कि हेॾा से हलणू न हेॾा से निकिरणू पोइ वधारे मुश्किल थी वियो आहे। मुंहिंजी गुज़ारिश आहे ये हुकूमत से न बदे से कि हेॾा अचनि न असांजी मदद करनि इन आफत से बचन में। यहीं बदे नारी सघो था, एॾा मारवे जी कमर कमर तक पानी है। मारवे जी गड्डियूं चीजूं बदे पानी जे अंदर डुबी वियूं आहिनि।
Guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And in case you are an Indian and speak Hindi, then I have another channel for you. I'll give the link in the I button as well as in the description below. That's it for now, guys. See you next video. Till then, take care. Peace.